Hello, my name is Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I'm creating with John Bead. Today's DIY jewelry project features my coastal bloom earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers. All of our beads today are from Crystal Lane DIY in Opaque. We have light blue rondelle, turquoise blue, and white matte. You will also need an ear wire, eye pins, a sweet and petite blue flower charm, and 6 inches of 22 gauge wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on blog.johnbead.com. Start out by cutting a 6-inch length of 22 gauge wire. Using our round nose pliers, we are going to form a wrapped loop, bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, switch hands. Using our chain nose pliers, we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Using our wire cutters, we're going to trim off that little end. I like to flatten out my loop and tap the wire down so there are no sharp edges. String onto your wire 2 white, 2 light blue, 7 turquoise, 2 light blue, and 2 white. Let's form a wrapped loop. Bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and switch hands. We are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Using our wire cutters, we're going to trim off that little end, flatten out your loop, and tap that wire down so there are no sharp edges. We want to make sure the loops are facing the same way. This one is just a tad off, so I just give it a little twist, and they are even now. Let's start forming our wire into a circle. You want to go slow with this because you don't want to break any of your glass beads. And there you have it. On the end of the loops, we're going to bend them down. And then we got to check them. This one's a little up, so I'm going to bend it down, and that's a pretty good match. Grabbing an eye pin, we're going to open the eye pin, attach our little charm, and close the eye pin. String a turquoise blue rondelle onto the wire and pass it through both of the loops. Add another turquoise blue rondelle onto the eye pin. Making sure everything is nice and tight, we are going to form a wrapped loop, bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, switch hands, and we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go a little bit further because I'm trying to tighten up those beads. Coming back in with our wire cutters. We're going to trim off that little end. Let's flatten out our loop and tap the wire down so there are no sharp edges. I want my loop facing towards the front, so if yours comes out this way, you just grab it, give it a little twist. Our final step is to attach our ear wire. This is how you open and close an ear wire. Open, attach, and close your ear wire. And there you have it, how to create my coastal bloom earrings. PDF instructions for my coastal bloom necklace can be found on blog.johnbead.com. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.